In the past couple of months, there have been big updates surrounding both Golden Nugget Online Gaming and Square, which could have an impact on the stock price going into the future. I'm the Max Invest YouTube channel, and if you enjoy the video, remember to like and subscribe, and remember nothing said in this video is financial advice, and you should always do your own research before jumping into any of these stocks. Just recently, Golden Nugget Online Gaming released their full year results for 2020. These results are really good, and they show that the company is continuing to grow and continuing to move forward. These were released on March the 23rd as well. Now, Golden Nugget Online Gaming's year-on-year growth for revenue is 64% from 2019 to 2020. They had 55 million in revenue in 2019 and now 91 million in revenue in 2020, with gross gaming sales being even higher at above 100 million. These are some very good results, and it shows the company's growing at a significant rate. I believe they've been growing at roughly a 50% compounding annual growth rate since inception, which is very good for the company, and this will help it continue to grow its revenues into the future to very large numbers and help it justify its share price. Now, of course, Golden Nugget's Online Gaming's immense success and their ability to continue getting higher and higher revenues every year by significant margins is because of their aggressive approach to securing market access. They already have a live and contracted in 10 states in the United States, and they are hoping to continue and eventually get all of the states, which will significantly boost their gross gaming revenue. Golden Nugget Online Gaming are mainly currently in a few states, like they are mainly in New Jersey, and that's where the majority of their revenue is. However, early this year, they have already moved into Michigan, and they're already moving into Pennsylvania in a large scale. So they are really moving into many different states to get more and more revenue from all of these states, which is very good for the company in the future, of course. Golden Nugget Online Gaming's price was up at above the $25 mark. However, it has slid down significantly, all the way down to around the $13 mark, where it is hanging around. $13 and $12 is where it is at the moment. I initially bought Golden Nugget Online Gaming at $16, which I think is a pretty fair price for the company. If you can get this company anywhere under $15, I think you're paying very good value for this company. I haven't really seen it go below the $12 range, so I do think, at least in the short term, that that is a base, and the company does look to be trading at quite a good range right now. Tip ranks do believe that it will go higher, with one analyst saying Golden Nugget Online Gaming should be able to reach $24 by the end of this year, which is a 74% upside, which is quite massive for this company. And this analyst rating was a month or so ago, and recently, with the earnings, could be even higher. However, I'm not sure. Square is another company that has had massive updates in the past couple of months. Square have just announced that they have plans to acquire majority ownership in Tidal. Tidal is a music streaming company owned by Jay-Z, which is quite similar to Spotify, and Square are going to take them over and bring them in as a subsidiary, which will give them more revenue. Square are going to pay $297 million for Tidal. This is relatively minimal, as Square have a market cap of 100 billion and a cash balance of significantly more than 297 million. So this isn't even too much to be paying for Tidal, and it should help the company if they can grow it significantly. I remember Amazon acquired Twitch at a very low price of only a few $1 billion, and now Twitch is expected to be worth $60 billion plus. So many big companies have acquired some of these streaming services, and they have made them significantly bigger. Square is obviously a massive company, and with Square's expertise and Square's board of directors, it should go even better. This is a new vertical for Square, and Square do believe that it really fits in with what they are already doing. Square is a company that basically helps smaller businesses by acting sort of as a bank and providing loans to these businesses for a lot less, and they have a cash app for people to make transactions on. Square believe that the music artists are also entrepreneurs, and they want to help musicians find new ways to support their work and make better decisions through Tidal. So this does fit in with what Square are doing. As I've already said, Tidal is advertised as a music service that is built by artists and is for artists. It's obviously owned by Jay-Z, who is a very successful artist, and it costs $12 a month, which is decent pricing. It is quite similar to Spotify, and it has 70 million plus songs, so it is already a big and well established music streaming service. Now, Square's share price has been hanging around the $200 range for a few months now. Square was at one stage all the way up to around $300 a share. However, I was thinking that this is way too extended, and it came right back down to the low 200s again. It's currently at 230, and I think this is alright for the company. However, I'd say to pick up Square, a short-term price for Square that is pretty good right now is around the $200 mark for this company. It has a lot of massive future expectations, and that's probably not a bad price for it. However, it has become very overextended this year, and Square could potentially fall further, which I will see as more buying opportunities for this very good company. So those are the recent updates on Square and Golden Nugget Online Gaming in the past couple of months. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Also, if you disagreed with anything or had anything else to say about these companies, you can type it down in the comments below.